Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 450 and today I will tell you more about the function keys on your laptop. So the function keys are often used in different applications and have some default functions. For example, F1 is often used to call the help in most programs, the help window, and the F5 is often used to refresh the page or the window. Now the F11 is often used to put your device on a full screen mode in some programs, especially when you're watching videos. And F12 is used to open the developer tools in browsers. Now the function keys that are specific to your laptop are these ones with graphics on them, and to use them you have to press and hold the F1 button located right here, and when you press and hold this button and combine it, for example, with F3, this will put your device to sleep, as the icon suggests. The F4 button to combine with F1 key will change the display mode when your device is connected to an external monitor. The F6 button will decrease the sound volume level, and at the F7 will increase it. Now the F8 button is used to mute microphone on your laptop. The F9 is for decreasing the display brightness, and F10 is for increasing it. And that's basically all the functions, all the specific functions of your function keys on your laptop. And that's it for this video. Hope I helped you. If I did, please let us know about it in the comments. If you liked the video, leave a like below. Consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.